Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is child welfare and its characteristics. Introduction. Child welfare refers to a set of policies, practices, and services designed to protect and promote the well-being of children. It encompasses a range of effort to ensure the safety, health, and development of children, particularly those who may be at risk of abuse, neglect, or other forms of harm. Child welfare systems are typically managed by government agencies and organizations, and they aim to address various aspects of a child's life. Characteristics of child welfare. Number 1. Child protection. Child welfare systems are primarily responsible for protecting children from abuse, neglect, exploitation, and harm. These involve investigating and responding to reports of child abuse or neglect and taking appropriate action to ensure the child's safety. Number 2. Family support. Child welfare services often focus on providing support and resources to families in crisis. These services aim to strengthen families' capacity to care for their children by offering counseling, parenting education, substance abuse treatment, and other forms of assistance. Number 3. Foster care and adoption. When it is determined that a child cannot remain safely in their own home due to abuse or neglect, child welfare agencies may place the child in foster care or work toward permanent placement through adoption. Foster care provides a temporary safe environment for children until they can be reunited with their family or adopted. Number 4. Legal court and involvement. Child welfare cases may involve legal proceedings including court hearings to ensure that the child's best interests are protected. Legal actions can lead to decisions regarding child custody, placement, and permanency planning. Number 5. Case management. Child welfare agencies often assign caseworker or social workers to individual cases. These professionals assess the child's need, create service plans, and monitor progress to ensure the child's well-being. Number 6. Prevention services. Child welfare agencies also focus on preventing child abuse and neglect through community education, awareness campaigns, and early interventions programs designed to strengthen families and reduce risk factors. Number 7. Collaboration. Child welfare agencies typically work in collaboration with other agencies including law enforcement, schools, healthcare providers, and community organizations to address the complex needs of children and families. Number 8. Confidentiality. Child welfare agencies operate under strict confidentiality to protect the privacy and safety of children and families involved in their services. Number 9. Cultural competence. Child welfare professionals are increasingly trained to be culturally competent, recognizing and respecting the diverse background and needs of the families they serve. Number 10. Continuous improvement. Child welfare systems strive to improve their practices and services through ongoing research, training, and evaluation to ensure that they are effectively meeting the needs of children and families. Child welfare is a critical component of the social safety net designed to protect the most vulnerable members of society, children. The specific characteristics and approaches of child welfare system may vary from one jurisdiction to another, but their fundamental goal is to safeguard children's rights and promote their well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.